Hi, my name is Jared Simpson. I'm here with MarineMax in Quincy, Massachusetts. Today we were on a recent trade-in. It's a 2017 Boston Whaler 345 Conquest. Boat's powered with triple Mercury Verado, 350 horsepower outboards with joystick piloting. This boat has basically every option you could put on the 345 back in 2017. There's only 280 hours on the motors. There's about 200 on the generator. It is the cockpit grille. Big fold-out bench seat here in the stern. Polycarbonate enclosure. Helm deck refrigerator. This boat is twin 17-inch Garmin screens with an open array HD radar. It also has FLIR night vision. Autopilot's integrated into the joystick system along with Skyhook. There's accommodations for four down below. This table's a power table that drops down automatically, and the bed fills in up forward for a full berth. Large head compartment. Boat still has factory warranty from Boston Whaler and Mercury. It's in the water and it's ready for delivery. If you'd like additional information, please contact me at 781-727-0629. I look forward to hearing from you.